Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to do one of the easiest recipes that we've ever done on Future Neighbor. This might be a good dish if you're in college or you want to switch it up, you have a date, not do pasta, but ramen. Maybe not the best choice, but anyhow, it's easy. You guys can turn on Netflix, eat this, and behave. Alright, so we're going to start off with 1 kilogram of mussels. I love these babies. And for the beginners, when you pick out shells, you want to pick out the introverts. The lips are sealed tight. And most of the mussels will have grown a beard. We want to just yank it and take it off. And let's do that for all of them. And look at this one, they're sharing a beard. Scandalous. Some shells might have some weird stuff on them. You can just chisel them off with another shell like that. And we'll give them one more wash. And again, if you see some dirty ones, just scrape them off. Next, you want to use a large frying pan with some walls or a large pot. We're going to just put this guys inside. So we're going to do half an onion, just cut it in half again. Put those 2 blocks in. Then another 4-arm piece of spring onion. I think I need to make a t-shirt out of that. Just chopped. I'm also using the green stalk as well. So let's just put those in. Then I have a Korean green chili pepper, 청양고추. Simply slice it down the middle. You can also use jalapeno peppers, but I would only use a half. And here I'm not going to give a measurement, but you just want to pour enough water so that when you press down on them, they're barely submerged. Good. 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 Then we'll put on a high heat and bring it up to boil. Guys, pretty simple, huh? Hey guys, lately on Netflix, what are you guys watching? I need to get onto a new series. As it comes to boil, these guys are slowly opening up and releasing all of that flavor into our broth. Look at the color of our broth already. It's very nice. And look at all this foam. It looks like the backwash at a beach. You don't actually have to take it out. It'll actually disappear by itself. I'm going to slightly reduce the heat to a medium-high. 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. And then half a tablespoon of salt. Give this a nice mix, guys. If you take a look, there's no foam left. We'll turn off the heat. And then take a sip of the soup. Oh, alright. And guys, take a look at that mussel. Beautifully cooked. We can take out the vegetable pieces that we put in to get some of our broth over it. Oh gosh. Got a few more chili peppers on top like that. And then the final scoop of broth. Alright, and this is going to be your dish for your next binge watch marathon. And I just want to show you how clean this broth is. You just take a little bit, put some broth on it again this time, and Don't drink all of the soup. Get the leftovers, put it into a small pot. I'm gonna just grab a little bit more soup. That's right, we're gonna cook some Korean ramen. I'm using Shin ramen. I love this the best. It's the traditional. We'll bring this up to a high heat. And you know what? If we cook the mussels for too long, they'll shrink. I'm gonna just take them out now and add them back at the end. These noodles in. Wow. Throw in a few scoops of our mussels, peppers, and our some green onions, and there it is. This is my secret but risky technique. Guys, I'll let you sample first, but only if you promise you'll slurp up the noodles. Guys, I think you can do a food truck with this one. It's too simple. You're gonna love it. Turn 1 dish into 2 dish, and I might watch a couple episodes of The Expanse. Peace.
I promise to be there in every single way. We're doing this together, every step we take. Closer to each other, so much to